transfer from Cash App to Chime. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to transfer your money from your Cash App account to your Chime account. So first of all, just open your Cash App account, and after that just simply log into your account. And once you're logged in, all you have to do is just link your Chime account with your Cash App account. So to do that, you need to click on the profile icon from the top right, and here just scroll down and click on linked banks. And after that just simply click on link debit card, and from here just click on no card and click on continue now. And here you will be able to see the different bank account option right here on this particular screen. So look for your Chime account, and if you don't find it, just search for Chime in the search bar and then just simply click on it. And once your Chime account is open, you need to log in into your Chime account. So just click on continue to log in. And now it will redirect you to the page where you have to enter your email address and password in order to log in into your Chime account. So just enter the details, and as soon as you log in into your Chime account will be linked to your Cash App account. And after that just come all the way back to your home screen in your Cash App account. And here, in order to transfer your money from your Cash App to Chime, since your Chime account has been already linked to your Cash App account, you need to select the amount that you want to transfer from your Cash App account to your Chime account. Just click on the banking tab on the bottom left hand side of your screen, and here you will be able to see the option called add cash and cash out. So in order to transfer the money, you need to click on the cash out section and just enter the amount first, and then just click on cash out. And once you enter the amount and click on cash out, your money will be transferred from your Cash App account to your Chime account. So this is how simple it is to transfer your money from your Cash App to your Chime account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.